Welcome back, folks. Just doing a quick shot of some of the purple to pink color changing PLA here I got from a local supplier, 3D Creator. And I was just printing. It was really easy to print. I just used it with the last settings. I used his Pro PLA with. He had a Pro White PLA. And then I wanted to quickly check some temperatures on the printer. This is one of those remote infrared thermometers, but it has a focusing point to help you get a little bit better reading. It was pretty cheap. It was, I think, clearance for $10, but it used to be like $60, something like that. Anyhow, then I realized that the surface temperature of the build chamber was actually pretty warm. You know, checked my steppers and whatnot, but the actual surface of the door, it can't see past the plastic, so the temperature it was giving me was actually the door. And then I had some fun just checking the steppers and whatnot, but yeah, the surface temperature of that door was pretty warm, so that should let you know it's pretty warm inside, and that's just radiated heat from the print head. And ever since I've been doing that, the prints have been a heck of a lot better. Way better, because I guess this old house is pretty drafty. Anyhow, I was printing this just using the last cached file that was in my slicer, and as you can see, there's a fair amount of infill. I set it to 15% because if you don't, there's actually a part of this print at the top where there's a little, I guess, socket, and printing in this orientation, the bottom socket gets totally messed up, and then it doesn't work with the snapping onto the ring base. And this is one of my wife's favorite rings because it looks, she likes the big sort of fake candy looking ring that this is. And if you don't print it with that infill, the socket that you can see, it's just doing the rim up there, totally gets messed up, and that's not very good. But I was pretty impressed with the outcome. Didn't even change any settings from the white PLA, so I probably might be running that a little bit too hot. But what came out was so solid, and it was kind of a big item, so the thermal mass was kind of high. It took it a while to cool off to the point that it would go purple again. But once it cooled off, it was pretty easy to change the color with touch. And unfortunately, I forgot to get some video of that here, but I'll try and grab that shortly. But anyways, if you have any questions, ask them in the comments below. Don't forget to like if you like, and subscribe if you like these videos and like to see me grab a few more of these funny little prints and PLAs. And don't forget to subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. Oh, and here's just a quick shot of the PLA and its wrapper. You can see the purple and pink where I could press my finger. And again, thanks for watching.